Ever feel trapped by your emotions? What if doing the opposite could set you free? That's not the strategy that most of us lean towards, but let's check it out. So, opposite action is one of the most powerful emotional regulation skills from dialectical behavioral therapy. It's very simple to use. When emotions prompt you to act in ways that are harmful or unhelpful, or when the emotions don't fit the facts, you do the opposite. So, how does this help? It changes the emotion or decreases its intensity. And this is not about denying your emotions, your feelings are valid. It's about giving you choices about how you want to express those feelings. It's giving you a way to be effective. Let's break this down. First, you have to notice that you are emotionally aroused. So you use your observe, body scan, and participate skills. And those are in the playlist if you don't know them already. Then you check the facts. For example, let's say that you are at a birthday party. You gave the birthday girl a nice gift and she was grateful. She said thank you, but it was no more than she gave to anyone else. And you thought that your gift was really special. You put a lot of time into it. And when she doesn't gush over it, you notice that your body's hot, your muscles are tight, and your teeth are clenched, and you're angry. Now ask yourself, does this emotion fit the situation? In this case, I'd say no. It's fine to be disappointed that you didn't get the reaction that you wanted, but the birthday girl didn't do anything inappropriate. She didn't violate any boundaries, and maybe she wants to tell you how she feels in private. So the anger is not appropriate. But let's say that you want to make a scene. The opposite would be to stay cool and blend in. If you wanted to storm out, the opposite would be to stay where you are and chill out. To do the opposite action, you just do the opposite of the thing you had the urge to do. Then engage your observe skill again and see if anything changes. Most likely, you'll get calmer. If I'm feeling afraid of something and I want to avoid it, an opposite action could be to lean into it or to confront it. If I'm feeling anger and I want to attack or argue, an opposite action could be to avoid confrontation or to speak gently. If I'm feeling sad and I want to withdraw, an opposite action could be to go out and mingle with others. Now, one thing to be aware of is that if the emotions do fit the facts, then going with that urge may be perfectly appropriate. So if someone is looking like they want to attack me, it's probably a good idea to either run or stand my ground. Doing the opposite of what I want to do isn't easy at first. So it is a good idea to start small. It doesn't work out great if I only do it halfway. So commit to going all the way. And if you find it challenging, it's okay to combine it with calming strategies like deep breathing or square breathing. Now, don't expect instant results. It may take some time for this to work well and for you to feel the positive impact. Building new skills takes sustained effort. And with practice, you'll be able to be in control even when you're experiencing intense emotions. Accountability is a great way to build confidence. So check in below. Let me know how it's working out for you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this playlist is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Ciao.